Alright, this is a GMC 228 inline 6. I got it on my engine stand. I just got off the Harmonic Balancer, which took some considerable effort, but with a harmonic balance puller and an impact wrench, I was able to do it. There's no bolts holding it in. It's kind of like driven on there and held in with a key. Not really held in with a key, but so you've got these two holes here that are threaded. It may be a little hard to tell if they're filled with gunk like mine were. You take your puller, anchor the driving bolt against the nose of the crankshaft, and then you just thread your bolts in through these holes. And then I just wailed on it with my impact wrench, and it just, once it got going, it came right off. It's been on there a while. One of my holes, I think, was stripped because the bolt kept backing out, even though it was screwed in nice and tight. When I started pulling, it would just yank itself out. So I was able to reach around inside here. This was pushed on a lot more. It was very tight, but I was able to drive the bolt through and put a nut on the other side to hold it in place. I kind of had to reach in there with needle nose pliers to hold the nut against the back of the pulley and then screw it in. But it worked, and I got it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. I don't know if you can rebuild these or if they even need rebuilding. They're hard to come by. I haven't seen any. But I'll clean it up. Maybe I'll take it to the machine shop and see what they say. So that's it.